If you're seeing the Krita extract error writing to file message, it usually means the installer is being blocked while it tries to unpack files into your computer's temporary storage folder. The good news is, this is usually easy to fix, and in this video I'll walk you through the fastest solution step by step. Before we start, if this tutorial helps you out, please hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes like this. It really helps the channel and it lets me know to keep making tutorials that save you time. First, try running the Krita installer with admin privileges. Sometimes Windows blocks the installer from writing the files it needs unless it has elevated permission. To do that, locate the Krita setup file on your computer, right-click it, and choose Run as Administrator. If Windows shows a permission prompt, click Yes and let the installer continue. In many cases, that alone is enough to fix the error. If the problem is still there, the next thing to check is your storage space on the C drive. Krita's installer uses temporary space during setup, and if your system drive is nearly full, the extraction process can fail. Open File Explorer, click this PC and look at your C drive. If space is very low, delete anything unnecessary, empty your recycle bin, and free up as much room as possible. Then try the installer again. Now, let's go a step further and clear out your temporary local storage folder. This is an important fix because sometimes a failed or interrupted installation leaves behind a corrupted or read to a read-only placeholder file in your temp path. When that happens, the installer tries to write over it and fails. To clear it, press the Windows key and R at the same time to open the Run dialog box. Type %temp% and press Enter. This opens your temporary files folder. Once the folder opens, press Ctrl+A to select everything inside. Then press Delete to remove the temporary files. If Windows tells you that a specific file is currently in use by another app, just click Skip and Continue. You do not need to delete every single file for this fix to work. After that, close the folder and run the Krita setup file again. If you still get the same extract error writing to file message, there is another great workaround. Bypass the installer completely by using the portable version of Krita. This is especially useful if your operating system restrictions keep rejecting the normal setup wizard. Go to the official Krita download page and look for the 64-bit Windows Portable zip package. Download that file, then unpack it into a folder on your computer. Inside that folder, you'll find the ready-to-run Krita app so you can launch it without going through the full installation process. This method is often the cleanest solution when the standard installer keeps failing because it avoids the unpacking step that is causing the issue in the first place. So to recap, first, run the installer as administrator. Second, make sure you have enough free space on your C drive. And third, clear your temporary folder using %temp%. And if none of that works, download the portable version from the official Krita website. Hopefully, one of these fixes got Krita installed and running for you. If it did, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more troubleshooting guides, and leave a comment if you want help with another software error. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.